Do you know that you can truly self-coach yourself? It is a fact that at one point or the other, or phase or the other, we all need a coach to guide us to our desired goals. We need a coach for accountability, for guidance, to build sometimes resilience, or sometimes to prompt us with those open-ended questions to make the desired move. I want you to know that you are not broken. You are becoming. And I can give you 3 reasons why some people will not hire a coach, even though it is necessary. 1 is the cost factor. You think, oh, I don't have the money to pay that coach. The second reason might be, no, I'm a private person. I don't like sharing my privacy, my problems. It's not for public consumption with anybody. I'd rather talk to God about it or find a way to solve it. And the third reason might be you don't even know you desire to have a coach, yet you are stuck. You are thinking, oh, you are broken. We are not. You are just becoming. In order to address these 3 points, that is why I, Dr. Josephine, as a life and health coach, have designed a self-coaching program, self-paced, on renewal of mind, restored life. A self-coaching program that will lead you to your desired goals. Your hope. You can do it on your own. There are about 6 modules. But you don't have to do the 6 modules at once. No, I'm not even releasing the 6 modules at all. Starting January 2026 by God's grace. The very first module of the renewed mind, restored life, a self-coaching program for transformation, for growth, will be launched. It consists of about the 4 great sections, and the 5th one is assignments, exercises, and a 30-day spiritual goal calendar that you can use every single day. The model can last you within 2 days with the answers, but if you want to be truly, truly honest to yourself, you need to reflect on things and answer correctly those prompts, those questions. You need to do well the life assessment, the well-being assessment that is going to be there. Then you need to take your time. Show commitment, show integrity in answering questions, because whatever rating you rate in that answers to those questions, you need to ask yourself, why have I rated myself this way? In this case, it helps you. We're not paying a coach directly because the model one will come very, very cheap for you. It's affordable. Number two, you are not sharing your privacy with anybody if you don't want to, because you are intentionally doing it. Because the kind of questions a coach will ask you during sessions are the kind of questions that are in that module that you will go through yourself and answer yourself and face reality that will lead you to that your transformation and that growth. And it will make you realize, with the tongue, answer the third point for you, that definitely you really need a coach. Because by going through those coaching questions, you realize you might. And at the end of it, if you say, oh, I still need a guide there, I still need somebody to guide me more, to help me more, then you can contact the coach. But if not, I can assure you, this self-coaching program is going to help you a lot. It's going to restore you to wholeness body, no matter your condition financially currently, can afford to have a copy, the PDF copy of the module, which will be selling on my website, learnwithjules.com.